6 weeks ago, I had a hip replacement. My goal was to do a backflip on a dirt bike 6 weeks after my hip replacement. So today we're gonna give it a shot.
You gonna exit frame?
I don't know. Should I just go do that? We're here at Duke Regional. I'm with my mom. Just drove 5 hours down here to go see the doc for a hip replacement today. So next step into new year, new me.
Well, Travis's hip is worn out. We're gonna get him a new hip, get him ready for 2025.
It's last ditch effort. You know, there's certain things that stem cells and peptides don't heal. It was the first time I woke up and I said, your hip was trash, we got it, and enjoy the ride. This is gonna be a fun month of getting back into shape and doing what we love to do.
I'm Ricky, I'm one of the nurses here at Duke. Your hip was, pretty beat up, but you came to the right place, so Dr. Brecky got you all sorted. So you're on your way to recovery, so here in a couple hours we'll get you up and moving. Like every hour to hour and a half at home, I want you up and taking a little walk.
3 hours post-op, 4 hours post-op. It's amazing what they can do, minor science. Our level of income, I don't see why we couldn't live to 250, 300. They don't waste any time, straight to physical therapy. Sorry, I just had my knee. This is the other one, so.
Right. Kind of re thing.
Thank you, Mom, for driving.
Oh yeah.
We left at 11 p.m. last night. Pulled up at 5 a.m. this morning. And was it 3 o'clock? We're already back on the road?
Yeah, it's about 3 o'clock.
3:08, man.
Fantastic. So at 3 weeks, I'm at 4 weeks now, but at 3 weeks, last week I came in and I couldn't walk for 2 days after the senior water aerobics class. Like it was the first time I was really doing moving that hip, and man, they kicked my butt in there for sure. But Steve was my saving grace because he was even worse, even though he doesn't have an injury technically.
How many of your friends in your water aerobics class also have new hips?
Actually about half. They're a lot tougher about it than I am. Of course, Pastrana with the, she's gotten killed. You're not doing the water aerobics?
I'm not going to get into it until I pick up a Baltimore.
I just want, can you give everyone out there a brief on how Josh, Super Josh, how did he do his first water aerobics class?
He was great. Except as soon as he started, took the belt off.
Straight to the bottom. So how are you coming along?
Me? Do not tear your Achilles tendon.
No,
This has been 5 months of crazy.
Seems like good advice.
That's one thing I haven't done yet, so I'll try to get that. Yeah, these are the heavy ones. We're good.
Oh, they're heavy, are they?
Yeah, so what was good, Pastrana, who's filming this, he was treading water and admiring the ceiling. We're like, no, you gotta do the activities differently. It's not just treading.
Dude, I'm not meant to tread water like that. First, come over.
How you guys doing?
I'm good. I've just been riding on these highway pegs out here.
Was that English? How's hip replacement mobility training going for you?
I can barely feel my hips, so.
So we are 2 weeks in so far on getting Trav kind of whipped back into shape. More so for just getting the shoulders working, the hips working, pretty much everything that he's had surgery on working. So we're starting up with a workout now, but we're gonna go through a few clips of just...
I'm up to 10 pounds. It's pretty good. Solid.
Proud of the little guy. Should be too. With every workout that we do, we always start with a light warm-up. It's really easy when you're in a rush to just hop in the gym and get right to it, but always starts with between 15 to 20 minutes of cardio on the bike to get his heart rate up. As you can see, he's already sweating. We're still just doing the warm-ups. All right, now we're getting started with the workout. Pretty much starting with Arnold presses, and then we do a lot of our stuff in supersets just to keep the energy going, burn a little bit more calories. How you feeling, buddy?
I didn't know you're filming. I feel great, man. It's been...
I feel bad because I messed myself up yesterday, so I'm just walking around making him do stuff.
It was better. I feel like you give me less break when you just giggle the whole time.
Yeah.
You can't...
Now you're making those sexual gym noises that make people uncomfortable. All right, crunches. Quit stalling. This is what I'm doing. And this is what Trav's doing. Just in his happy place. In the cold plunge. Staring at the hot tub.
I'm very fortunate to be able to take a month pretty much off of work, just doing some Channel 199 stuff. But at the end of the day, Really excited to get my body back healthy to where I feel like I could ride motorcycles, drive cars. And are you getting the cold plunge?
No, I'm staying in the hot tub. I think you should try to do one with your eyes open. The producers always have a hard time getting Trav to get something a one and done, but he has not skipped a beat on everything he needs to say right now because I think he doesn't want to stay in there any longer and do another cut.
I did the 3 minute jam.
Yes.
What?
Oh, if Lindsay had a nickel for every time she heard that one.
I don't know how I'm gonna get out.
Hey, Trav, I'm not sure they're going to be able to use
How
it
long
out.
have I been in here? You're supposed to tell me. Good luck, come over. Should I do a snow angel? I can't feel my body. Yeah. Should I get in the hot tub? I don't feel like it's
Are you going to be able to climb out of that? It's almost as tall as you.
He can get out. I don't want to get in it. So, are you allowed to get in hot water after that, or are you just going to black out and pee yourself?
I'm gonna go.
That's so cold.
Everybody makes that.
You're not going in there, man?
Why would I do such a thing? I got nothing to prove, you know?
I knew Josh was like, I'm not getting in. I'm not getting in. I'm not doing cold plunge. I knew he couldn't resist. It's competition. Everything's competition. How you feeling, Josh?
This is stupid. I don't think this is for me.
This is how cold it is outside.
I don't want to be the colder I am right now.
We're not experts at this. We should probably start every video that we've ever done with that statement, but if there's a cardiovascular doctor that's saying, hey, you guys probably shouldn't get out of cold water into a hot tub, just, leave it in the comment, and we'll try to make ourselves better as we do every day. But if you're allowed to do this, this is nice, because I'm starting to get the feeling back in every part of my body.
All right, so Tommy, you come all the way out here. Yeah. We got this whole strongman, like just freaking epic gym. And what's the first thing that you asked to do?
Curls. It's almost pool season.
What do you think, Nick?
I expected nothing less, to be honest.
So what do we got down here?
Just a band and a 2.5 pound plate, simple. We have no machines here, but no one likes to train little muscle groups. And the thing that assists big muscle groups is little muscle groups, like the hip flexors.
So what's Tommy working over here?
His ego.
Shut up. I'm 50
And
pounds.
he's about to get humbled.
I'm 50 pounds shy of what I. But it's like little muscle groups, bro.
Because it rolls.
I know. It's not fair.
So who's buying lunch?
Top B.
I'm asking for a week's worth of workouts from Nikolai because he does write me workouts. But he always throws some weird thing, and I gotta tie something to something. And
No, I throw him in stability. I throw him in some stability work, sometimes with a band, and he cries about it.
Just tell me bench, squat, deadlift, dude. Make it easy. I don't want to be thinking about, man, I gotta make my weird thing, and I gotta turn it. It's weird.
It was a lunge holding a band out in front of you. That was it.
It's not. He's thinking it was a lot of things. It was that thing, but I.
Get a touch lower if you can. Good. Yep. Brace. Exhale. Good.
Oh shit, Tommy doing a plank? Was that core?
Dude,
I'm so proud of you, man.
whatever, bro.
Just give me some
That ain't a plank. That's a 4x4.
6x6.
Thinking.
All right, so most things, as far as a pull-up goes, is pretty easy, but this thing over here.
The cannonball pull up.
I think I just ripped all the skin off.
That's impressive. That's a hard thing to do a pull-up on.
I've never even been able to do a pull-up ever. I don't even know if I can even hold myself on this thing.
You got it?
What? I've been hearing that same voice say that same term.
I was actually thinking Heelys when I said that. That's the first thing that crossed my mind.
I'm double your size. Of course I can do a pull-up. Yeah, okay, big guy can do pull-ups at 200 pounds. He's like 200 pounds. Can you do as many as Nikolai?
You can find out.
Wait, what?
I like a good contest. I don't know, dude. I think he's got you. I think he's got you.
I hate you so much right now. Wait, hold up.
You're about to be embarrassed. You're about to be embarrassed.
The whole thing, he's
Look at him. Look.
Oh, wait. Dang, he's like a monkey.
All right, go.
Take off my shirt, too. You don't have extra weight on it. Shit, this sucks. Okay, ready?
Dude, I hope
Why
you.
is he so fast?
Oh, how come you can't do a pull-up?
How many you do? Just let me catch up.
I mean, it's on video, so
I like it.
if you want to
Why is it still
rewatch,
going?
if you want to rewatch how terrible this was, you're more than welcome.
Should I just go up and hold?
Fine, point proven. Give me my shirt back. All right, 6-week checkup. Just got done the last, really 3 weeks. Pretty hard with Josh and everybody. I just see Dr. Brecky. Hopefully you get the permission to get back on the bike, get in the car, and get on with life. How are we looking compared to average here?
Well, Stripper Josh deserves a raise. I don't know what you're paying him, but he's done a great job getting you in shape.
I was supposed to pay him.
So I think you're doing exceptionally well at this stage. You're not fully recovered yet, but you're doing really well. From here on out for the rest of your life, you have 2 rules that you need to obey. They're strict and they're forever, but you don't need to write them down. You need to use common sense and you need to listen to your hip.
Common sense is going to be a hard one, Doc.
I know you've been wanting to do alligator wrestling. I wouldn't start alligator wrestling. I wouldn't enter the cage fighting tournament this weekend, and I would normally tell people not to, jump out of an airplane without a parachute. That's for real. So use common sense and listen to your hip. Structurally, it's solid. So the normal impact and sort of wear and
So
tear.
I'm as strong right now
Yeah.
as I would be with, yes?
Actually, at about the 6-month mark, your bone will have grown into the implant. That's probably when it's at its strongest. There's not a lot to do between now and then to wait on it or to accelerate it, but I would avoid.
But it's fairly close to that strength now?
Fairly close to that strength now.
Okay. Thank you, Doc.
There you go.
All right, leaving Dr. Brecky's, it was awesome. He said Josh did a great job. He said we're the top 1% that he's seen as far as strength recovery 6 weeks out. He said, yep, you're good to start pickleball. So what I got out of that was you're good to start riding dirt bikes. Awesome. Here we are. It's really muddy in Maryland in the winters. I spent about an hour on the Kubota just to get this done, and the landing is like when you take the Kubota over, it sinks, so it's like that ground that just moves.
Is this how you guys measure stuff at X Games? Usually somebody holds the other end of the tape, or you tie it to something.
Oh no, I just wanted an approximate. That was good you showed up though. This will be more accurate. You want to go grab the other side? Oh, we're short.
You gonna straight jump it first jump, or just flip it and get it over with?
No, I'm actually more worried about jumping the damn thing than I am flipping it. So I actually haven't ridden a bike in a really long time. I haven't flipped in probably a year.
Do it without the panic rev. There it is. Yeah.
Well, doctor said I'm okay to resume day-to-day activity 6 weeks after hip replacement surgery. I think they meant pickleball, but why not a backflip?